Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to talk about the same line of subject as we have been talking about for last 2 days. We discussed, as you can recall, how to gauge the progress of the nation, how to gauge the Catholic of corporation. Today we are going to talk about how to gauge the progress of mankind on this planet. Listening something is not enough, but listen and retain. Memorize every single thing so good, so fabulously that it can stay with you all life. 20 years, 30 years, 40 years from now, if you want to recall it, you should be able to recall. That is called knowledge. Knowledge is not something you throw away. We don't throw away our books, we don't throw away our slippers or shoes or our shirts. But unfortunately, the irony of India is that students don't have any kind of appreciation or significance or vitality for education. They learn today, forget tomorrow. No, that is, it is not a sugar cane that you chew it and eschew it. So today's subject is how to measure the strides of mankind. I prepare 4 points in that regard. Point number one is the mankind's Catholic can be measured by, most importantly, what kind of progress it has made in obliterating all kinds of bacteria, pathogens, parasite, virus, exobiological maladies, astrobiological maladies, and these are our number one foe, the most formidable foes. The worst enemy of mankind is malady, is virus, is parasite, is bacteria. And you would believe me because you see all around you. What is going on in our ambience, in our scenario today is COVID. COVID has killed 500,000 people within 1 year. COVID has made 15 million people sick within 1 year. COVID has destroyed 25% of total global economy, meaning 25 to 30 trillion dollars, trillion with T, within 1 year. So our most formidable enemy is not any leader or any nation, but this small, teeny weeny, invisible microbe. We call it virus and name it Corona or COVID 19. So, when mankind will be able to obliterate all those kinds of threats to the existence or sustainability of mankind, then and then I would say that mankind has really progressed. Point number two is when mankind will be able to find the amicable solution. Amicable solution means the both parties should be happy, accept it willingly, and both the parties should think that both have won, nobody has lost. So this kind of solution will define about all kinds of our existential dilemmas, all kinds. In America, America should solve is black and white, Mexicans and the Americans and Mexico and the US and the Republican Party and the Democratic Party, and in India, Muslims and the Hindus and the Pakistan and the India. When we are able to wipe out all kinds of our existential dilemmas of this nature, and we will be able to live peacefully without having any kind of existential dilemma in our life, then and then I would say that we have achieved the greatest success or greatest cat leap in mankind. Now, point number third is when mankind will be able to furnish, provide education, healthcare, jobs, peace, prosperity, tranquility, no tantrums, no melodies, no any kind of discrimination, no any kind of disdain. Society will be Ramrajya, totally millennial society, totally peace loving society. When we are going to have that kind of society, and we have eliminated all kinds of our health related problem, our food related problem, our residential problem, dwelling related problem, education related problem, and the mankind will be able to furnish these kinds of facilities to every single terrestrial of this planet in an amicable way or carpet manner. Then and then we can measure the mankind's progress as perfect cat leap. Point number 4 is when mankind would be able to coexist, live together harmoniously in unison without any kind of disdain or discrimination, grudge or gore. No grudge between black and white, Hindus and the Muslims, India and Pakistan, America and Russia, Russia and China, Russia and America. When there is no grudge, no any kind of gore, no any kind of discrimination or disdain. When person will live in this society as brethren, all with fraternity, brotherhood, harmony, bonhomie, that kind of society will be created by mankind, and then we can say that mankind's progress of the cat leap is 100% astronomical. But until and unless we have to live in the kind of scenario we have been living today, is not any progress of mankind at all. But as a matter of fact, I would see the regress of mankind. Our predecessors were living much better than we have been living. Now, we have to be better. And if we are not going to be better, then our existential sustenance will be jeopardized. Thank you very much for listening. That's all the time we have today. God bless all of us. Amen. Bye.